are new, welcome. We are family over here. So what's up, sis? What's up, bro? What's up, cuz? Let me know how y'all doing down below in the comment section. So today y'all can see I have my fine husband. Okay, that's my baby daddy, y'all. Ooh, that man's so fine. Okay, back to what I was saying. Okay, he wanted something like, I want to say quick, but it really wasn't quick. It really took like an hour and a half, which I guess that's quick. So, of course, if y'all have been following his hair journey, I know y'all like, man, right now, like, y'all see how long his hair is? Bald head where? We not bald head over here, okay? I swear I'm gonna stop playing, y'all. Anyways, he wanted some braids, y'all, so of course I had to come through. Y'all know, as always, I start on fresh hair, so I've shampooed him, detangled him, and now I'm blowing him out. His ends were a little rough, so I went on and got them off. Of course, because we want, you know, his hair to keep growing. We want healthy hair, baby. All 2021, 2022, and, you know, now. We want healthy hair, y'all, so make sure y'all getting those trims. Fellas, get those trims. If you have hair, trim those ends. We need them gone, okay? So yeah, I'm trimming his ends real good, and then I'm gonna go in and get him braided down. Do stitch braids with diagonal parts. So all I'm doing now is sectioning his hair off. I go in with the shining jam down his part, and I straighten it up, and then I just braid his hair down. I'm gonna let y'all continue to watch. If y'all haven't hit that subscribe button already, go ahead and hit that. Come join the family because we lit over here. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna let y'all continue to watch this video. One thing that I know I didn't show in this video is how I set his braids, but I used the Virgo, I believe that's what it's called, mousse, and then I went on top of that with a little hairspray. All the products that I use you'll be able to find down below in the description box. But yeah, keep watching, y'all. Thank y'all for rocking with me and for watching all my videos. If y'all have any questions or any recommendations on hairstyles, make sure y'all leave them down below in the comment section. As always, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.